Finally got my Hummingbird Feeder, and with this product I'm gonna be able to record and watch all my hummingbirds. So I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna show you those hummingbirds if I find one. This is a smart humming feeder, so what it does is that it records every time a hummingbird gets closer to this. It's gonna record it and it's gonna send you notifications in real time. Easy to set up. Right here the box show you all the different hummingbirds, and it's an app. We're gonna download it on our phone and we're gonna use it. It's perfect, it has a great resolution, and it also works at night. It has all the features of this product. It has better recognition, has live video, like I said, real-time notifications, is ant proof. This is really good because those ants are not gonna be eating the food that you leave for the hummingbirds. Capacity of 2 ounces. It has a really large capacity for water. This product is great. I really like it. I'm gonna install it. It also has a 135 degrees angle lens. It works with solar power. So let me unbox it. I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box.